Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So we go to music, a record we'll like, look out at the bottom there, saying Range Rover Sport there. If I touch there, you'll see that's the volume there, iPhone speaker or Range Rover Sport. It's going to play through Range Rover Sport if I've got this set correctly. On media here, click media, we want source, Barry's iPhone, and that's it. Favours, just turn it up. That's how you play music.